Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hide app. First, let's explore why you might want to hide certain applications on your device. Many users choose to conceal apps for privacy, to keep personal information secure, or to maintain a clean and uncluttered home screen. We'll cover the most common techniques available, ensuring your digital space remains private and organized. This process is simpler than you might think, offering peace of mind. There are several effective ways to hide apps. Many smartphones offer native settings that allow you to disable or hide applications directly from your app drawer. For more robust security, consider using a third-party app locker, which often requires a PIN or fingerprint to access hidden content. Another popular method involves creating secure folders on your home screen, effectively grouping and concealing multiple apps within one icon. Once an app is hidden, accessing it is straightforward. Depending on your method, you might use a search bar, a specific code, or navigate to a hidden folder. Unhiding an app typically involves reversing the steps you took to hide it, often through your device settings or the third-party app. This flexibility ensures you can always retrieve your applications easily, maintaining both convenience and privacy. To maximize the effectiveness of hiding apps, consider these best practices. Regularly review your hidden applications to ensure they are still relevant and organized. Always use strong, unique passwords or biometric authentication for any third-party app lockers you employ. Additionally, be mindful of the permissions granted to hidden apps, as they still operate in the background. These steps help maintain optimal security and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.